At mula po sa amin dito sa Manila Cathedral, Voltaire and Phoebe, we wish to extend to you our greetings and our prayers as you embrace this blessed life, this vocation we all call marriage.
Baby, we finally made it to here, made that trip down the aisle.
Grabe sila mag-shooting, pre. Isang movie, one day shoot lang. Lahat
May
yun.
mahirap yun, hindi pa ko lang kayo.
Mga 25 hours kami kissing. Seryoso.
Pagka kailangan ng ano, halimbawa, guys, pwede ako.
Sige, actually.
Parang kailangan ko naman magpapalit ah.
Recorded din sa rap.
Recorded ko. Basta ako hindi ako yung magpapakasalit.
Ganda mo.
Ay, thank you! Bessie! Para sa'yo.
Sa pinakamaganda.
Sa pinakamaganda, mapanglait na. Bessie ko! Kailangan oh, close na close. Kulay. Suot niyo na nga.
We just know all is right with the world for us.
Whenever moments are blessed because you are here together, nahanap na ninyo, kayo na ay magkasama, let there be pure joy. I know today is a pure joy for the both of you. Kasal na ninyo at pinagsama na kayo ng Diyos.
Walter and Phoebe. I just want to greet them. Congratulations. Best wishes for you. And then, sabihin ko na agad yung sikreto mo. Sobrang saya ko sa'yo, pare. Baga, kung anong narating mo ngayon, kung ano tayo dati. Sobrang na-amaze sa'yo, pare. Sa'yo, Phoebe, yun. Buti na, napag-isan mo to.
To the first meant for me and for you. I love
Together we dedicate Voltaire and Phoebe to the love and to the heart of Jesus. Harinawa po sa unang araw ng kanilang pagiging mag-asawa, ang talagang mamayani, ang mangibabaw, pag-ibig ng Diyos na patuloy na naghahanap at ang pag-ibig ng Diyos na patuloy na lumiligaya sa presensya ng kanyang minamahal.
Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here not just as Phoebe's maid of honor, but as someone who had, witnessing her joy since high school, 2007. I've been with her, so I see her grow. I see her success with Teng, with two lovely kids. So may your marriage be a place of peace, passion, and partnership. May you continue to grow, not just older but closer, and may you always remember that the best love stories are written one day at a time, side by side. To PB and Voltaire, may your life be a beautiful story, and maybe this is the happiest of your chapters. Let's cheers!
And let that energy stay. Kapag tila wala ang isa, ang hirap maging masaya. Kapag nawawala ang isa, parang may kulang. Keep that joy in you whenever you are blessed to be together. And let this love, let this heart inspire you to love, to seek out the lost, and to rejoice in the presence of someone.
Tayo'y isa, hindi ko hahayaan na sa atin ay may hadlang. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginawa ang ating pag-ibig upang di magkalayo kailanman, pagkat ang tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko.